Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. Join us today for another episode of Life of a Contractor. Come on, let's go.
Alrighty, we're on a job site here in Bowie today. We're going to perform a VIP on an existing lawn sprinkler system. The system's about 25 years old. So we're going to perform an upgrade of all the sprinkler heads, the controller, the Wi-Fi controller, and a rain sensor. So let's take a look around here, what's going on. Morning, Bo. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Good, sir. What's going on there, Rudy?
Good.
It's a oldie but a goodie.
Yeah. It's full the door. We don't see any bird balls right now.
Uh-huh.
But right now it's nice and clean. Just only we need to wash it up
Yep, clean her up.
and clean it up.
Clean her up, you good to go?
Yeah.
You are correct, there are some 12-inch spray heads here.
Yeah, that's the one I don't remember because we already put this system 2005. Something like that.
Yeah, about that. It's 2005, I thought it was older than that. You might be right, sir. So we're switching out all these spray heads, all these rotor heads, everything new. New heads, new nozzles. That'll be a huge savings on water. We're seeing 45 to 50% water savings with these new heads, with the new nozzles on them. Hey, Drew.
Well, how are you?
Good, sir. Put in new heads, then we'll put in new nozzles. That's really saving folks a lot of water. Because you know the old heads get wore out. And then with everything new, we're
Especially
seeing,
with the pop-ups.
yep, we're seeing 45 to 50% savings. On water, which is a big translation too when you're paying for the wastewater on top of it too. That's huge, you know? Is this Gary Johnson in here? His brother? Brother Ed Johnson?
I put the other one in here, Bob.
Uh-huh.
You can see there's no paint behind this.
Uh-huh.
Since that one's smaller, they'll probably have to repaint.
Okay.
Just to let you know, I was just looking. Let me get my other stuff. Let me see that screwdriver there.
You hitting Gary Johnson in the head?
Maybe.
They tried to knock some sense into me.
Well, that'd take a lot of work.
That guy tore up, that one guy I went to this morning, Bob.
Uh-huh.
That Swamp Road, he tore the whole backyard up, putting in that heat stuff or whatever they put in the ground.
Yeah.
That thermo.
Yeah.
He's telling me they only hit 2 lines, but the whole backyard's been dug up. So I told him, I said, well, I won't know. I'll fix the ones that I can see.
Right.
Because they went down like this deep with the thermal stuff.
Yeah. That's all the lines takes the heat out of the ground.
So I told him, I said, well, we'll have to wait till spring when we turn it all on. Now he wants to put a pool in too.
Got a lot going on.
Yeah, so I told him we might have to move all them lines where the pool is going in and then redo the zones when you're finished.
Gotcha.
So,
Hey, when you guys finish here, you might want to reach out to Jeff just in case he needs help, or the other guys.
Yeah.
See who might need help. I'll mention that to Rudy too.
Felix, Wilder, and Edwin, and all their guys together.
Yeah, but that's 300 feet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just don't know how, if that's accurate to 300 feet and or how hard that ground is in Waldorf. That could be a monster.
What, 5 boxes? 4 9-inch, 1 18,
And then a pump.
and then the sump pump pit
Yeah,
and everything.
some pump pit and the wiring and all. You know how that goes, Rudy. It's a lot of work. Tamping all these heads down here, getting them all set, and then we'll re-nozzle them all. How many zones you got there, Root? 8?
8.
8 in the box?
Yeah. No, right here we already got
5?
4.
4 here? 4 on the other side?
4 and 4.
4 and 4? 2 manifolds of 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be a little bit of trick here to get 8 in that box, wouldn't it?
Yeah. And if we can use the jumbo box
Uh-huh.
and use a cross, we
Yeah.
gotta put 8.
Yeah.
But we can't wait here.
We're leaving here, this VIP lawn sprinkler upgrade here in Bowie. We're heading to a drainage installation in Fort Washington. Come along with us. Come on, let's go. Come on. Life of a contractor, never a dull moment. It's always job sites, job sites, job sites, job sites, job sites.
A few moments later.
All right, we are at a job site in Fort Washington, and we're installing a drainage system. A lot of clay in this ground. A lot of water too.
I forget who sold it, but whoever it was thought it was concrete, but it looks like it might be green PVC. They still drove through that safely without trying the PVC.
Yeah, you can still drill through it. It's green.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, you can drill through that, cut a hole in it. Yeah, the hole saw. Yep. Yep. Hey, young lady, how are you? She can still go to school at night?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
Good deal.
Yep.
Good deal.
Every day.
Good deal. That takes a lot, working and going to school.
Yeah.
You know? I did it for years when I first got my medical license, you know, when they used to call me Dr. Bobby. And then I got out of that and hopped into irrigation because I didn't have any patience.
You know, I can renew my license for 8 years now.
For your medical?
No, my driver license.
Oh, your driver's license. Now
Yes,
we're talking about
yes.
driver's license, Nancy.
Now it's for
He was a
8
medical license a minute ago. Now it's driver's license.
Yeah.
Where's this going from here? Out to the street?
No.
Huh? Yeah. To the back? To the storm and coming out bottom of the street then. Okay.
You got your clip?
Just about. Just about, sir. We were looking around back, you know, the water coming with the storm drain, storm management system, and then it's coming around the back and then coming back into here. So that water's exiting in the back. Yep, there it is right here. So they got a nice pipe into here. Takes all that water off the back of that hill. That works out nice. That works out nice. Hey, Jeff, that comes right into the storm management system out front. It's out front here. Nice sized pipe. So it goes around this way, comes around the side of the home and into the storm drain. So that works out nice. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.